Ruth, count down to 3. Oh my god.
3,
Wait, no, I'm not ready. Hold on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, guys, like, oh, fuck. I paid too much money. Dongle thing that I have to not be working, like, for the rest of my life. Is this better? I've honestly trying to make myself busy all day, so I did not have time to even do this, but to stop being a little. I don't think I really valued Lan. Lan is my waxing lady. I don't even remember like the last time I ever shaved. Like I don't shave because like I can't wax my pussy, armpits, legs. Yeah. Everyone has been talking about sugar wax, or baking soda waxing. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'm going to try sugar waxing, try and make it first, because that's a whole battle within itself. And then I'm gonna try to actually do it myself, which I'm scared about, guys. I literally tried to do everything today to not have to do it. Washed other people's dishes. I cooked for myself. I cleaned my chicken. I marinated salmon. What else, Sav? What else did we do? I took Sav on 2 walks. And it's only, oh my god, I need to clean my phone. It's so dirty. Do things when you say them and they will get done. I've been honestly trying to make myself busy. I watched a lot of videos yesterday. Just gonna try the microwaving method and it's a little bit faster. And I wrote down the things I need. I have most of the ingredients at home already. The only thing I know I definitely don't have is a popsicle stick. I'm gonna use a knife. I need what? Half a cup of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and water. Because I don't have any cloth at home, I'm going to make sugar wax that's more pasty so I can like put it onto me and then rip it off. I'm nervous as fuck, but this should be fun. These are my armpits right now. I can't believe I just showed my armpits on camera. From now on, if my armpits do fucking have hair on it and I'm making a video, guess what? We're just close now, you know? That's what it is. But let's make the sugar wax. Prayers out to me, right? You want to use something that's glass for your sugar wax. So I'm using this glass. You know, being African, we tend to put our sugar in things that they don't belong in. White sugar, and you want to use half a cup. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime and water. So I'll do the water first. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Cut the lime. So we're just gonna. I'm wasting so much, guys. Like, okay, so this is the wax. It's actually a lot of sugar. I didn't realize. I'm just gonna mix everything together. I guess this all just depends on what type of microwave you have. So I'm gonna start it off by putting it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds because she said after like a minute nothing happened. So after 1 minute, oh shit, did it like spill? You definitely need a bigger bowl than this. I'm just gonna use a different bowl. So this is my second try, guys. We're gonna go again. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Still looks like the same color. So I'm gonna put it in 1 more minute and that'll bring it to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Check it. It's still that same color. So now we're at 3 minutes. See it boiling? It's boiling.
It was at this moment. Fucked up.
I think by now it's supposed to have a golden color to it. This is hard wax, I think. Alright, we're gonna try. I don't know if it's like overcooked or this is how hard wax is supposed to be. So I place it on there, let it stretch. It's not even sticking. Oh, I just go through that pain and not feel anything and not take anything off. Is that what you're telling me, right? I got some. Do you guys see that hair? I think I might have overcooked it. Like, you see this? What the fuck is this noise, man? So I looked up how to fix sugar waxing if it becomes too hard. When you fix it, it turns into a soft wax. You put 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon of water and then put it back in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And they said you can use a cloth, so I'm just using an old t-shirt that I have. And I'm just cutting a piece. I really like this shirt too. To use for like my strip. Okay. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. I'm a big boss. Apparently when you put soft wax on, you're supposed to put it the opposite way of your hair grows. Put it like that. I think my hair grows down. And this is the cloth. I'm actually really scared. Ready? You got this. I don't even want to count. Ready? You got this. Ready? You got this. Ready? You got this. Do you see this hair? Oh my God! Baby, you know what? I know what's gonna rectify this situation. This armpit into the rest of this armpit. Better get nice, because there's no way I was going back to shaving. Not for quarantine, not for my mama, not for a nigga. Cheers, guys. Only over 18, I mean, we're in America. Over 21, drink. Oh, wow. Whew. Oh my God. Okay. You can't be a about shit like this. You just gotta go. I honestly took off 3 hairs. Like, what the? Oh, you know what I forgot to put? I was supposed to put a powder because I'm sweating. Okay. 2, 3. Damn! Damn!
20 minutes later.
Finally got the color that I'm supposed to be looking for. This took me about 3 minutes and 45 seconds. The microwave that I have now is not as strong. I got my sheets ready and we're gonna do the damn thing. Maybe because it's self-pain, but like after doing a little bit of it, I definitely could say I could like do my legs by myself. No way you will see me sugaring my own vagina. Like, and light cannot. I'm just waiting for the wax to get warmer. I'm supposed to put baby powder.
You look so bad.
Oh my God. Nothing even came off. Oh my God.
Oh.
Gonna grab a little. Definitely harder, I'll say, doing it on this arm. Rose. Let's say a prayer. Father God. 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna wash my armpits now. So after you're done waxing, what you want to do is get natural aloe. And then you just want to rub it on the area that you waxed. Aloe is very soothing, especially because it's been in the fridge. After this, I definitely think I will be doing sugar waxing again, waxing my own legs, but I definitely don't think I'll be doing my armpits when I could just go to land to do it and take 3 seconds rather than I do it and takes 10 minutes. It was really painful, guys. It's the truth. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Love you guys.